We are in the Thonburi section of Bangkok. That's the section across the Chao Phraya River. It's kind of like going from Manhattan into Brooklyn when you go from Bangkok into Thonburi. Okay, what we are looking at is the brand spanking new gold line of the BTS. But this is a monorail, and the monorail has rubber tires. Still a bumpy ride, but it has rubber tires, and we're just going to look at a few of the trains going by. They run approximately every 10-15 minutes, and right now they're only 2 cars long, and this was mainly built to serve IconSiam. That's the huge luxury shopping mall. And I guess the owner of IconSiam, from what I can understand, is paying for a third of this line, but it's being operated by the BTS. Well, we're not going to ride on it right now. We're just looking at the outside of it. Now, this train is fully automatic and driverless. The train does not have a driver. I wonder if Fritz Lang ever thought about something like that when he made Metropolis, a driverless train. Of course, we're not going to need as many people in a few years anyway, so. And the other thing you may have noticed, I'm shooting this with a DJI Pocket, and you really need a filter on your lens of the DJI Pocket when you shoot. So remember that when you buy a DJI, go out and get yourself some filters to put on, because in the bright sunlight does wash out your footage. They do have an elevator over here, so the handicapped can access the train. One thing you may notice is those cars down on the street. And pretty soon the train will be coming up, and if you pay attention, you will notice that the cars are actually moving along faster than the train is. This train does ride quite slow. I will be posting footage of riding in this train, so please like and subscribe. That way you will not miss out.